Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Shirin Kazi. This is GQ Infinite General Knowledge Book, Standard 6th. Lesson number 9, National Park. Write the names of the states where the following wildlife sanctuary national parks located. Number 1, Bandipur National Park, Karnataka, Karnataka, Karnataka. Hazaribagh Wildlife Sanctuary, Jharkhand, JHARKHAND, Jharkhand. Kanha National Park, Madhya Pradesh, MADHYA, Madhya PRADESH, Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand, UTTARAKHAND, Uttarakhand. Ranthambore National Park, Rajasthan, RAJASTHAN, Rajasthan. Manas National Park, ASSAM, Assam. Mudumalai National Park, Tamil Nadu, TAMIL, Tamil. NADU, Nadu, Tamil Nadu. Periyar National Park, Kerala, KERALA, Kerala. Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal, WEST, West, BENGAL, Bengal, West Bengal. Gir Forest National Park, Gujarat, GUJARAT, Gujarat.